Hey out there in YouTube land, this is Gonzo of Gonzo's World. Back with yet another video. Today, custom made, homemade, DIY, high quality speaker cables I made. It's a 14 gauge. I ordered the nylon sheathing off of Amazon, 50 feet times 2, 25. I got shrink wrap on them, the red and white and the black as you can see right here. Took me about 35 minutes a piece to do them. I'm not using banana plugs because my vintage Empire speakers 7000s from 1968, they're screw-ons. So I got these connectors at Skycraft in Orlando, Florida. They came out pretty good. I love them. A lot of people say there's not much of a difference in audio cables. But I think the better quality of the wire, a little better thickness, serves a better signal. And plus, it all depends on what kind of amplifier, what quality amplifier you're using. I'm pushing it through good speakers. These will work just fine. Plus, main factor too, they look good. All right. There you go, DIY custom made high quality speaker cables. Over and out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little notification bell for future videos. Arrivederci.